Today we are discussing about the problems on waves. Problems on waves. That's discussing about speed of traveling wave. So the question number 20. In objective type, question number 20. Length of a string, the tied to rigid supports is 40 centimeters. See, this is the two rigid supported. Two rigid supported. The between the string is fixed. Its length is given L is equal to 40 centimeters. Maximum wavelength in centimeter, the stationary wave potential. The maximum wavelength is nothing but lambda is equal to wavelength. See, when the string is vibrating in a single loop, so this is the again it is reflected by the. See, we know that here how many notes can be formed by the two notes. How many antidotes are there? One antidot. We know that what is the node to node of the distance. What is the lambda by 2. Then lambda is equal to 2 into n. Now we can find this wave of a length. This wave with lambda is equal to 2 into length. How much is the 40? That is equal to 80 centimeters. This length of a wave, how much is the 80 centimeters. Let's see the 21. A string of mass is equal to 2.5 kg. 2.5 kg is under the tension. T is equal to 200 newtons. The length of the stretched string. L is equal to 20 meters. If the transfer jerk is struck one end to the string, how does the distribution to reach at the other end? See how much of the time taken. See, this is again we can say the rigid supported. Now this is the string. Now the jerk. Jerk means here the transfer waves can be generated. This is the instant wave and it will be the reflected wave. See how long take this the time to reach the one end to another end. See, one end to another end we can find out. See, we know the formula for the speed or velocity of string. See, the velocity of string, what is the formula? V is equal to under root of T by nu. Nu is equal to linear density. This linear density is what we can write here, the mass per unit length. Now we can substitute here. Write the V is equal to under root of T by nu by L. The denominator of the denominator is take the numerator, T into L by nu. Then substitute here the values. So tension how much is given by the 200 into length how much is given by the 20 divided by, so mass per unit, this will be mass. Here the mass how much is given? 2.1. Can write here the under root of the point is negligible, the above we take in a 0, this is 10 divided by 25. The 25 how many times are there here? The 8 times. That means here the 8 times. 8 into 2, 16, and under root of 1600, that is equal to 40 meter per second. This is the velocity of this string. Then what we can find out the time? We know the formula velocity is equal to distance by time. Then take the cross multiplication. The time is equal to distance by velocity. That is equal to distance. Distance how much is given by the other? 20. Velocity how much is there? 40. That is equal to 1 by 2. That is equal to also right 0.5 seconds. See, this is the time taken to the wave reach the one end to another end is taken by the 0.5 seconds. Let's see the 22. A uniform rope having mass m hanging vertically from a rigid supported. See here the uniform rope the having mass. See, this is the rule. Having a mass is m. Its mass is given by m. Hanging with a rigid support. Hanging with a rigid support. A transfer wave pulse the produced in the lower end. See, this is considered the lower end or nothing but we can also this one also. So this is the tension is produced in a string. Okay, this is the wave mass. Okay, the speed of the wave pulse, the width, height h from the lower end to highest. See, this is the height is given by the h is the lower end to this is the position. Then here we know the formula. When the using of freely falling body, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. What is the formula here? V square minus u square is equal to 2as. Okay, then we can take this is the u is equal to here 0. Then v square is equal to 2g h, s is equal to h, and a equal to g. That means the v is equal to under root of 2gh. The v is directly proportional to under root of gh. Under root of gh. See what we understood here, the velocity height, velocity and height. The graph is a parabola. Is a parabola. That means it is the x-axis, it will be y-axis, and it is the origin. Now the velocity is taken along the x-axis. See here the height is taken along the x-axis, the velocity taken the y-axis. Now the graph is represented here. This is the parabola. This is a parabola. So next. See the next question number 23. A length of a sonometer wire. This is the length of a sonometer wire A and B. Its length is given total 100 centimeter. How much is given by the 100 centimeter? Where should be the two bridges? This is the one bridge. Now this is considered the another bridge. Two bridges that divided into three segments. So 1, 2, and you take the another one is taken by here. This is the three segments is there. It is the ratio of the fundamental frequency. So ratio of the fundamental frequency means here given by the n1 is to n2 is to n3 is equal is given 1 is to 2 is to 6. Then find out the individual length of. So this is the bridges of this consider this as L1. It is considered L2 up to here, and the A to this total length is considered L3. Then we can find out the individual length of L1, L2, L3. See therefore, fundamental frequency. So what is the formula? Is n is equal to 1 by 2n under root of p by nu. See, n is inversely proportional to length. N is inversely proportional to length. See, write the ratio L1 is to L2 is to L3 is equal to 1 by N1 is to 1 by N2 is to 1 by N3 is to. Because of n is taken this side and n is taken this side, then we can write here the values. Then here given by the n1, n2, n3. n1, n2, n3 how much? 1, 2, 6. Write the 1 by 1 is to 1 by 2 is to 1 by 6. Take here the LCM. The LCM will be taken. The total we consider this is 6. And here say the 3 and here is the 2. That is equal to L1 is to L2 is to L3. See here L1 is equal to, we are considering this as x. L1 is equal to how much is considered x. Okay. Then here considering by the 6x, the total its length. See, the total length is given. Total length how much is there here? The 100 centimeters. And here you consider the x. Because of individual we can find it here. The 100 is equal to 6x plus 3x plus 2x. Sir, is coming by here the only one x. See, 6 plus 3 plus 1. This how much is there? 10x is equal to 100. Then x is equal to how much is there here? The 100 by 10. That is equal to 10 centimeter. Then x is equal to 10 centimeter. See here, the what is the ratio is there? 6 is to 3 is to 1 is to. The L1 is equal to 6x. That is equal to right here the 6 into 10. That is equal to 60 centimeter. L2 is equal to here how much is it? 3x. The 3 into 10 that is equal to 30 centimeters. And L3 is equal to x, that is equal to 10, that is equal to 10 centimeter. Now observing here, we can find out that the bridges are the A to L1 having how much is it? 60, and A to B point, the B is nothing but to take the 60 plus 30, how much is there? 90. Here the ratio of length 60 is to 30. So 60 is to 90. Because of first one how much is 60 and we are adding up second length of the 30. That is a 60 plus 30 how much is it? 90. That is say that 60 is to 90 centimeters. See the question number 24. A 5.5 meter long string. See, this is the string. Its length how much is given by the error? 5.5 meter. Its mass is given M is equal to 0.035 kg. Mass is given by the 0.035 kg. So tension in a string. The tension in a string is given by the 77 Newton. This is the string. See the speed of transfer wave. So what is the speed of transfer wave? This V is equal to how much? See, we know the formula. The velocity of string. See, V is equal to under root of T by nu. Nu is what is called here the linear density. Then we can write the V is equal to under root of T by linear density. Linear density is nothing but mass per unit length, M by L. L is taken here. The under root of T into L by M. Now can substitute here the values. The V is equal to under root of tension how much is here? 77 into length how much is here? 5.5 and mass how much is there? 0.035. Then we have the calculation. See here the V is equal to under root of 77. The point is negligible. The below we take in a 0 and after how much is it? 3 zeros. Here the 3 zeros 35 into 10. Now cancel 0 0 and here say the 5 how much 7 times and 5 11 times and 7 how much 7 times are 11 times. See observing here the 11 into 11 121, the 121 into 100 and see here the under root of 121 00, that is equal to the root of the 110 meter per second. So this is the speed of a string. So next question number 25. The length of sonometer wire, the tuned to frequency. The frequency of the sonometer wire is given by the 256 hertz. How much is given by the 256 hertz? Is 0.6 of meter of length. See, this is L1, this is the L1. The calculate the frequency of the tuning fork, which of the vibrating wire the tune of the length made of. See here the length is given by the second time 0.4 meters. Then find out its frequency N2 is equal to. See fundamental frequency. See what is the formula? N is equal to 1 by 2L under root of T by nu. See the frequency is inversely proportional to its length. But here the two lengths is given. One frequency, another frequency you can find out. That time taking a ratio. Ratio right here the L1 by L2 is equal to L2 by L1. L2 by because of its inversely proportional. N1 is equal to how much is the area? 256 divided by N2 is equal to L2 is equal to 0.4 divided by 0.6. Now the point is rectangle. 256 by N2 is equal to 4 by 6 is the 2 times is the 3 times. Then we can find out the N2. Take the class. 256 into 3 divided by 2 is equal to N2. Then we have the calculation. The finally we getting the this N2 is equal to 384 Hz. So next question number 26. Question number 26. The fundamental frequency of string, the stretched with a weight. The fundamental frequency of the string, the weight is equal to how much is given by the 4 kg. Its frequency and is equal is given by the 256 Hz. The weight required to produce the octave. Octave is nothing but that is equal to double of the frequency. Double of the frequency is called as the octave. Now the how much of the weight? When the frequency can be doubled, so what is the weight will be changes. Again we take the fundamental frequency for the formula. N is equal to 1 by 2L and the root of T by nu. That means the N is directly proportional according to second law. The law of vibration, second law. What is the N is directly proportional square root of the tension. Taking the ratio N1 by N2 is equal to the root of T1 by T2. N1 is equal to how much is there here? 256 by N2 double of the frequency 2 into 256 is equal to under root of T1 is equal to how much is given by the 4 by then find out here the T2, then find out here the T2. Now it is cancel. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. See the squaring on both sides is nothing but here how much is there only 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 4 by T2. That's why 1 by 4 is equal to 4 by T2. Then take here the cross multiply. T2 is equal to 4 into 4 16 weight kg. 16 kg weight.